Hi, this is Andy. This is his father's Billy's truck. He's gonna explain a little bit about his dad's truck now.
Hi, I'm Andy. This is my dad's truck. First of all, it's a '86 Freightliner, and it's got a Cummins motor. And
you know how big it Cummins?
No, I don't.
Okay.
The wheelbase is like a 250. Some of the stuff we did with it, we put a train horn on it.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah. Train horn. Yeah, Andy. Yeah.
And then we polished up the wheels.
I'm assuming you're your dad's #1 helper.
Yeah. And then, well, I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looked like when we bought it.
Wow. What an improvement you did over that. Yeah.
And we switched the stacks on it and stretched it, or we added 52 inches to it. And then pretty soon my dad's getting a deck plate that goes from all the way back there all the way to here, lifts up and ends right here.
That's going to be really nice. Yeah.
Yeah, that's going to be pretty cool. He doesn't work it except for in the fall. He hauls cranberries. Otherwise, it's just for show.
And I love cranberry juice. I always have cranberry juice with me. So every time I drink cranberry juice, I think of this truck.
Alright. Put our last name in there. And so that's pretty cool. On the front here, put a bunch of lights on the bottom. That's 11 lights, or 15 lights down there. And then way up on the top, there's some lights.
Yeah.
There's about 11 of those up there.
Yeah. You know, my Cabover was one of the first trucks to have lights underneath the bumper back in 1982 when I first did it.
Sweet. And this was all done by my dad and his friends. And him and his friends even painted it.
You ever ride with your dad?
Huh?
You ever ride in the truck with your dad?
Oh yeah, I ride a lot.
You enjoy that, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Yep. Oh, anything else, Andy?
Don't think so.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.